Welcome back to CountyLine TV. God, I hate that my kitchen's pink. Oh, it looks so pink in this camera too. Rip. Why is my kitchen pink? Anyway, welcome back to CountyLine TV. In the last episode, we did some spark plug reading on the Corvette, and everything kind of checked out. They looked here on the lean side, but they all looked the same. So like I couldn't really pinpoint why I had a misfire. So today we're going to do a little bit more diagnostics on it. We're going to check for check engine lights, which the check engine light itself is not on, but it could be tuned out or broken or something. So I'm going to check for codes, see if we have any codes. And then, I don't want to say this, but we're going to do a compression test and see what that tells us. So we'll see you in the garage. All right, made it out here to the garage. It's actually raining out there, which it wasn't when I sat down, but like I literally got out here, sat down, started recording, it was raining. Anyway, I realized when I got out here that I have no clue where the OBDII port is on a Corvette. So I am Googling that right now. I've typed in C5 Corvette, but all it's showing me is Citroen C5s. Weird flex. This says right below the steering column. Okay. Unfortunately, I do not see that. I'm fingering it. I found it. Hard to reach. I just needed two hands. We're on now. So. Let's see what we can't find out here. Turn the key on. Zero codes found. Splendid. There's no way there's no codes. There ought to be a misfire code. Well, that was very uneventful. We'll get back to you on a compression check. So I just bought this compression tester kit. Let's go ahead and get her open and use it. Alright, I'm gonna get this in and we'll record each test. So I screwed the hose into the spark plug hole, which oh so conveniently I don't have to use any of these adapters. It's just the one that's part of the hose. They probably do that on purpose. Now I have to plug this into here. Why do I only have two hands? What? I can't. Hang on. Alright, there we go. Alright, crank her up, dog. Alright. I don't know if that's good or not, but it only got to 120. That last one was cylinder 1. This is cylinder 3. That was cylinder. I didn't freaking clip my gauge on all the way, I guess. Alright. You don't have to wait for it to prime. You can just start cranking as soon as you hit the key. That one got right at 120 as well. So at least they're not spread apart real bad. Now we're on cylinder number 5, and I think I got this on all the way. I guess we'll find out. Go ahead. Oh wait, hang on. Go ahead. Do it again. Yep, 120 again. So far, so good. All right, cylinder number 7. Hit it, Justin. What would that be? That'd be like about 115. So yeah, still barely spread from the other 3 on this side. And that's gonna be all I have time for today. So probably when I get off work or something, I'll do the other 4. So we'll see you guys then. I just gotta get a shower before work today.
One eternity later.
This is cylinder number 2. This is cylinder number 4. This is cylinder 6. This is cylinder number 8. So my camera battery died before I even got to turn the camera off after compression testing cylinder number 8. Anyway, those compression numbers might seem a little low, and I'll probably put this in the beginning of the video somewhere too. Those compression numbers probably seem kind of low, but there's several factors that go into that. One being that you're supposed to compression test with the engine hot, and that engine hasn't ran in days. You're supposed to compression test with the throttle plate open, and I did not. And then also, like, if you're thinking about a lot of people that say they have like 180 or 200 psi compression on LS1s, they probably have aftermarket cams. The stock cam profile just doesn't allow for that. Science. Anywho, that's going to be it. This video was just another step in the road of me making sure that engine wasn't hurt because it was missing out really bad. So I'm waiting on parts in the mail. They won't be here for another 6 days. They're going to be here literally the day before Riverside, if they come on time. If not, I don't know what I'm going to do. But anyway, thanks for watching, and click on this video right here, or this playlist right here. And if you're not subscribed yet, it'll be right here. Tell your mom to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.